So let's talk about oops. Technically, this will be the third spray on this panel. What happened? What happened was, originally when I sprayed this, right over here, my clear coat was too light of a coverage. Even though I hit it with 2 coats, it wasn't heavy enough. And what happened was, when I was buffing, I burned through right here. And so I came back and I wet sanded this area, and then I hit it with some blue, and then I cleared it like this. I taped this off, cleared it like this, and then let it sit and dry. And then today, I was buffing it, and you can kind of see the outline. It's about right here of where the repair was. And then what happened was, as I was buffing this way, I hit another light spot. So instead of trying to do it again, because it's a pain to blend, this flaky stuff doesn't like to blend. And I'm not, let's just say I'm not that good, all right? Everybody knows I just make this up as I go along. There's no rehearsing, because I don't know what I'm doing. I keep telling y'all that. And so instead of trying to fix this and run into another spot where the clear coat's not heavy enough, I sanded the whole son of a gun with 400 grit wet on the orbital, and this is what happened. So I got pretty good coverage on the clear, and I think probably what happened was I was going like this and lifting up and not getting a good spray. So you can see where the clear is not. It's a different color blue. And from your angle, it's hard to tell. But you can definitely feel it. So the clear is just smooth glass. Oh my God. Okay, so before the compressor kicked on, the clear is this smooth, glassy finish, even with the 400 grit. And then when you slide across to the paint, the texture changes and it gets a little bit more rough, sticky, let's say, on the part where there's not any clear. And it's kind of hard to tell sometimes. So That's definitely paint. I'll have to wipe it down again with wax and grease remover. But now you can probably see it. So this darker spot is clear coat gone. That's blue paint under there. So I sanded the whole panel so that I could tape it off on this line here and here. And then I sanded up to here because I can roll tape here. And then I'm going to come back in here and give this a coat of blue. And then we're going to clear coat it again. And then we'll have to, you know, wet sand it, buff it. But this time, I'm going to make sure I get two good coats of clear on top so that I don't go through. Maybe 3 coats of clear. The other side is fine. It's just one of those things that it can happen. You're buffing along and then all of a sudden you burn through the clear coat and you go in for the easy repair and the easy repair wasn't big enough and then you get more, so do it over. Do the whole thing over. It'll look fine when we're finished. Fortunately, I have more stuff to paint, so we'll just set this aside until it's time to, I'm gonna do doors and hoods. I'm probably gonna do doors and this piece. It's easier to paint less things at one time than, you know, doors and hoods will get a little crowded in there. So that's all for this episode. We'll tune back in when it's time to spray. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day.